Hi, my fridge in my Freightliner Cascadia 2016 is not working. So I am about to remove the fridge from my truck because it's running my battery down. So before I'm about to remove it, you need this screwdriver. You need these 3 items: screw driver, the star, and then plier, and then WD-40. All right. You might ask me, why do I need a WD-40? Okay, I will show you later. Okay, so to start it, you need to come in your truck, right? Then look at the fridge. It has a cover around the fridge, right? First, you need to take this cover out. Easy. Just come and knock it out a little bit and it will come out. Easy. Then put them away. Put it away. Okay, put it in my truck. Then you will see a bolt here and then a bolt here. I already removed them. And then a bolt here, right? Just the only thing you need is you need to take it out, these 3 bolts. So first you will take the bolt out, which is I'm already did. Took the bolt out. That's how the bolt look like. Okay, all right. Then I'm going to take the top one out. All right, so this is the top one. Take it out. You screw them out. Screw it out. It will come out easy. If it doesn't come out, you just have to figure out how do you gonna take it out, because sometimes the top one is a little tight. So you need to be strong, have a strong hand or extra tool to just unscrew it. Okay. The down bolt, always you need to open the fridge so it will be a little easier for you to see it. See, it's a little bit easier for you to see it. Okay, so once you unscrew all 3 screws, then you're gonna come down here. This is the time that you need this W40, right? You're gonna spray it under here. You're gonna spray it under here. See, I'm spraying it. All right, this side only. This only inside, the one inside and the inside. All right. When you spray it, then you're gonna leave it alone about, let's say, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then when you come, only thing you have to do is you're gonna wiggle it a little bit like that. So the back, it has a lock for the lock to come out from the back. Then you just go under, right? It have a little secure safety bar here that you're gonna use your hand to try to pull it out. You see how mine is coming out? See it coming out easy, coming out easy. All right, yeah. So when they come out easy like that, you just have to try to pull it out Easy. Pull the thing out. Let me put the phone away, and so I could pull the thing out and show you how you have to do it. Because right here, from now on, you don't have to do nothing but pull your pull your fridge out. Okay, all right, so give me a minute. Okay, I pull my fridge out. So when you pull it out, the cord is long enough to help you bring your fridge down. And then the reason why I said you're gonna need the prior is you're gonna need the prior to make sure you could push this metal thing down with your prior, small little prior. Then use the same prior to pull the cable out. You see, because it's a little bit difficult without a plier, or maybe I'm not a strong man. After that, then you wrap it around how you want to do it. Then you figure out how to take your fridge out. Right now, I don't know what to do with this fridge. Should I throw them away or buy a new one? I will just keep it at home and think about it later. And that's it. That's how to remove your fridge from your Freightliner 2016 Cascadia. Have a nice day, and then I'll see you with the next video. Bye.